What's up guys, my name's Tawhid Safi. Welcome back to my anime art channel, and today we're going to be drawing Vegeta. Did it focus? No? Maybe? Oh, it's dark. Shit. Vegeta. Focus. Focus.
2 hours later.
For today's lesson, we're going to be doing things a little bit different. I'm actually going to be showing you a new drawing style that helped me improve my art, and I think it'll help you level up your game as well. Stick around for the end of the video and I'll show you how I rated this drawing and whether it's good enough to go on my wall. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's start off with a circle, and we're gonna do things a bit backwards today and define the jawline before drawing the face. That'll allow me to continue sketching the rest of his body, and of course we can come back to his face and fill in the details later on. For now, we'll only draw the overall shape and direction of the hair so that we can have a good idea of how it fits in with the rest of our sketch, and we can adjust the size of his hair as necessary. Next, I'm going to go down his body and define his torso, followed by his arms and his legs. This is going to be a rough draft, and we're going to fill in the details with our pen in just a moment. There's a lot of benefit to starting our drawing this way, because it gives us a good idea of how the final product is going to look. And if we don't like the pose, or if we want to change the position of his arms or legs, then we'll be free to make our changes at the beginning of the sketch before we waste all that time drawing in the details. Drawing these action poses is a lot more challenging than drawing your typical pose, where the characters usually have their arms neatly tucked to the side, but that's precisely why I intend to do more of them. I highly recommend for you to do the same, especially because it forces you to practice the most troublesome parts of the body, which are the hands and the feet. These are highly complicated areas that require a lot of practice to master the subtle changes that occur from a slight change in position or angle. Moving on to the face, I'm only going to draw the features that are going to cause me the most trouble. Then I'll redefine the jawline and begin the penning process. So like I said, my process for drawing this sketch is a bit different than what I usually do. But I've recognized that my usual drawing process is more geared towards copying, while this one will free me up to make more creative decisions down the road, once I get good at it. I'm willing to accept a temporary reduction in quality of my work if it means in the long run I'll be able to create new art that looks just as good as the original and be able to share it with all of you. Because let's be honest, I think we're all tired of drawing the same pictures of Goku for the last 20 years. There is new artwork coming out here and there, especially in the Dragon Ball Legends app, but most of what you see is a rehash of old stuff. Alright, I'm done ranting now, so I'll just shut up and let you enjoy the rest of the video. Hey guys, thank you for watching to the end of the video, and this is the part where I'm going to show you what I think of this drawing. So, first of all, his head's too big. I didn't notice this until after I had already finished coloring, so obviously it was too late to make any changes, but that definitely threw off the rest of his drawing, and if you look carefully, you see that his shoulders and his torso are too wide. For my next video, I'll just have to take a step back and draw his face before his head, and that will give me a little bit more confidence when I'm sketching the rest of his body. If I had to compare this to the rest of my work and rate it between a 1 and a 10, with my Super Saiyan 3 Goku being a 10, this would probably be 6.5, maybe 7. But even though the drawing didn't turn out as well as I hoped, I definitely learned a lot of new skills that I'm going to be applying towards my future drawings, especially in the coloring department. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you'll join us in our next tutorial, which is going to be Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta Evolution. Or is it Super Saiyan Evolution Blue Vegeta? No, Super Saiyan Blue Evolution Vegeta. There we go. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.